Welcome to this tutorial on how to sell stocks in E-Trade. First, you need to log into your E-Trade account. If you do not have an account yet, make sure to create one and fund it appropriately before moving on. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see your portfolio, watch lists, and available trades. After you've accessed your portfolio, find the stock that you intend to sell. You can do this by either scrolling through your holdings or using the search bar to locate the specific stock quickly. Once you've found the stock, click on it to access more details. Here, you will see an option labeled Sell. Next, click on the Sell button. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter the number of shares you wish to sell. Be sure to review the current market price and adjust the order type if needed. You can choose between a market order, which sells at the current price, or a limit order, which allows you to set a specific price at which to sell. After confirming your entries, click on the Review Order button to see all details specified. Finally, if everything looks correct, click on the Submit Order button to execute the sale. You will receive a confirmation once the order has been filled. To ensure everything went smoothly, check your account and transaction history to verify the sale of your stocks. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sell stocks in E-Trade.